Hi, I'm Nick Ebonroth, product manager here at Keystone Montana, and we are live from the biggest retail show in the country, Hershey, Pennsylvania. I'm joined by a great guest, Courtney.
Hey guys, yeah, like he said, my name is Courtney. You might know me as the face behind the Flipping Nomad. We renovate RVs. We've worked with a ton of Montanas. They are our brand of choice. 3 years ago, we built the Ultimate Montana in conjunction with Keystone. And so Montana holds a special place in my heart. And when I saw this floor plan, I about died.
I love your excitement because we are extremely excited about this floor plan as well.
So tell me what you did up here.
Thank you. So this is our 3901 rear kitchen. So we needed another rear kitchen in our lineup, and when we did it, we didn't want to just do a normal rear kitchen where it's down flat on the main level. We want to do it raised, and that's for multiple reasons. It's a great viewing angle to the TV, plenty of countertop space, but then also a ton of storage in the back with the pull-out tray.
It really is, yeah. So this is actually the back of the unit here, and so we are standing over probably what, a 2 or 3 foot tall storage bay, which I have something very similar to that in my unit, and the amount that it allows you to carry with you is just amazing. And another thing being, I've been a full-timer for 8 years now, which I can't even hardly believe, but you start to learn and clue into these little creature comforts that just make RV life so much easier. And one thing I love that you did in here was you added a broom closet back here.
This is my Vanna White. Dun, 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 dun. But yes, a true broom closet, which normally we don't have. And even if we try to, it's in conjunction with a pantry that doesn't really dedicated space. This is a true broom closet in our corner here.
It's so handy. And then you'll see, the broom closet, white cabinetry. I love white cabinetry. I know it's not something for everybody, but I love that you took the white cabinetry, didn't make it a stark white, but you also blended it with a more traditional cabinetry.
So this is called our cottage white, and you're right. So when we do our cottage white floor plan, it's our uppers in our kitchen that we do white. You don't have to do it that way. We can do it in our standard maple or different colors, but this is our white uppers, which I agree, especially in this space back here, it really brightens it up.
It really does. And I love the white countertops too. And then this new amazing stovetop.
So new Furrion Chef Selection stove. So extra space there, more residential, looks really sharp as well. And then one of the other things that we did back here in this kitchen that's different than most other people that do rear kitchens is there's no island. So typically when you have a rear kitchen, you have this island here, it gets really claustrophobic in this back corner. So we ditched the island, pushed it over, did a little coffee bar off to this side, which still lets in a lot of natural light through this big window with plenty of pantry space in the slide out as well.
And I love the orientation of the sink too, because as you're standing at the sink and you spend a lot of time hand washing dishes in RV life, you can still be interacting with everybody else that's in the coach, and you also have a direct shot to the TV, and I'm seeing a beautiful entertainment center down there.
So we've got a great entertainment center, which we'll show you. Yes, we'll go take a look at that as well. So now we're in the main living room of our 3901, as Courtney had talked about. We've got a big giant entertainment center. So this is white shiplap that goes all the way up, but it also is featured with our 50-inch smart TV, which is on all Montanas this year, as well as our JBL speaker package, which has a nano sub that's located behind that TV as well. So as we kind of talked about, when you're up in that kitchen, you have a great viewing angle down here onto this entertainment center, as well as a nice cozy seating area with the dinette over into this slide out as well.
And what's hiding behind this wall is another really unique feature of this floor plan.
Yes, so behind here, we actually have a half bath. So when you come in the main entrance, you're right into a half bath, which has a whole bunch of storage and countertop space for you to get going right there in that half bath, because our up front, which we'll show you as well, is a really exciting bathroom up front as well.
So Nick, typically in fifth wheel floor plans, when somebody walks upstairs to the upper deck, you hit the bathroom first, and then the bedroom is in the nose. That's typically how it is. That's not how it is in this Montana.
Yeah, so we made a little bit different here. So as we talked about, we have that half bath on the main level. So when you walk up, the first thing you run into is your king bed master suite. And then we push our actual full bath with a big walk-in closet that will show you all the way into the nose, which is pretty impactful. But in this floor plan, we're dedicating our king bed slide. We've also integrated our new shelves that are into these slide out boxes, which are set up for your CPAPs. So that way, if you got a CPAP or charging station, it's set up right there. One of the things we did this year was make sure that we were a conscious effort on everywhere we put those solar outlets. So when you're set up for your inverted outlets, we want to make sure you've got one here for your CPAP. We've got one outside for a TV, one by your coffee maker. We want to make sure that we put them in strategic spots so you can actually utilize them.
And that's really impactful too, especially since Montana and all of Keystones are coming with solar out of the factory. You guys are taking care of so much of that headache that the consumer goes through trying to upfit a unit aftermarket. You guys are handling it, which I love. So speaking of this amazing bathroom, can we please go in there and see it?
So in our bath here, we've got double vanities here, big bowl sinks, nice shower, but the biggest thing here is a true walk-in closet.
It's amazing. It's a true walk-in closet. Look at this. There's so much room for activities up here. And I noticed that there's also stackable washer dryer hookups in the closet. You don't even have to move your clothes around.
Correct. So you actually still have the spot for stackable while you still have hanging space. Because typically, once you put your stackable in there, you're pretty much taking away almost all storage spot that you actually have.
But there's still a full, you know, the 8-foot width of the unit. You have all of that hang up space, plus some shelves over here, plus room for a stackable washer dryer. Yes. This floor plan is chef's kiss.
We appreciate it. So a few other things to talk about. We have 5 total new floor plans for Montana this year, 3 in our Montana lineup, 2 in our high country lineup. And then one other really great feature I hadn't mentioned yet is all high countries and Montanas now come with a 16-gallon water heater versus a 12-gallon. So you can take those extra showers in this beautiful bathroom as well.
Well, Nick, I have loved what I have seen today. Love the Montana interiors, love the floor plan. So if somebody wants to camp better with Montana, what should they do?
I appreciate that. We appreciate everything you do for Montana as well. So if you want to know more about Montana, visit us at www.keystonerv.com, or you can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all sorts of new content as well.